I hope that whenever learning occurs, people change, even in just a small way. I'm Tennille Hostetler. I first came to Fox as a student in 1994, and I majored in biology. I thought I was going to be a scientist. I was really interested in research. But when I was at George Fox, I got involved in the science outreach program, where I was able to teach children from the community and realized that I just really loved teaching, even more than being in the lab. So I decided to go ahead and go into teaching as a profession. I got my master's in education, and since then I've been teaching in a variety of different settings, from preschool through university, private schools, public schools, charter schools, and of course here at George Fox. And then I was hired to do the science outreach program, where I kind of started a while ago. So it's been really fun to work with that program and increase scientific literacy in the community to help K through 12 teachers and work with students in the community. What I love about teaching is just seeing light bulbs turn on for people with new thoughts and new perspectives. They get new ideas and see things from different points of view, which can inform their actions or just how they think of the world. Specifically science, I love teaching science because it's what I'm interested in and really passionate about. I feel as an educator, I'm more of a communicator of science. I take what scientists do, which is often not accessible to the public, and so I find it to be a privilege to be able to kind of translate that and put it in ways that the general public can understand and find accessible. I see science as a way that we can understand God more. I think He has created everything for His glory, and also we are curious about it because I believe we want to know more about Him. So He tells about Himself through creation, and I believe that scientists have a way of kind of translating that message from creation about God to people, because they're helping to explain things that are happening in creation. And I think that every theory, every bit of knowledge, every scientific explanation really goes toward glorifying God. What I hope that students take away from a course that they take of mine is that there's so much more to discover. Even though we don't have all of the answers, we shouldn't stop pursuing it. We shouldn't stop being curious, asking questions, and a lot of times scientists ask questions and sometimes never get an answer. But through their work, they're moving closer to an answer or building up on the knowledge so that someone else might be able to answer that. So as individuals, as students, we can ask questions in our daily life and just continue to be curious. And I hope that continues to grow their awe and wonder of God's creation.